Hi guys, Carspur 2.0 and welcome back to another unboxing video. Now I did promise you guys I'll be doing an unboxing video. Well, here it is. It's that time. We're going to be unboxing the brand new 2023 winter holiday set. We just call it the winter set. There's 5 cards right here. All in winter colors. That's it. Florida with the 2023 logo and 1 card is next year. And believe it or not, getting closer. We have to have the rest of this month and get through December. Have to get to 2024. Right now, let's all enjoy the last of 2023. Hey, after this time, we're going to be unboxing these. Hit 5 right here and get a closer look at each one. So without further ado, it's time to get started. And with the first one, the Mitsubishi Lancer Evo 10. And okay, now in the back of the cards, you see all 5 cards. And since I already had all 5, and right here, well, it took me quite some time under the ground. 4 of them I had to get from my local Jewelosco, and the other one I had to go to Jewelosco in Chicago, Scottsdale. So yeah, 2 different Jeweloscos that I went to today. Alright, we're done doing that. Let's get to work. And here we go with getting the Evo out. So here we go. Alright, the Evo is out. Now we're going to take a look around on this one. Hey, you see, that's one for the details for the front. It's clear. And for the headlights. And the grill looks very nice too. And the rest is metallic. Right. No details in the rear, unfortunately. But the decals on this one is very nice. And take a look at this. There's number 23. There's a lot of performance brands on this one. With the snowman on there. It's white. Even the wheels are white. In fact, all the cars here have white wheels. Alright, let me put the Evo right over there and get the next one. The Mini Cooper S Challenge. Oh, that did not take that long. It's out. Let's take a look at the Mini. Unfortunately, there are no details on this one. But these says they actually stand out on this one. Is that big wing? That's what this race car has. We know it's clear but blue. Mostly black or black metallic. There's the white wheels again, but there are some turquoise. There's paint on the wheels. In fact, most of it has some turquoise on it. There's a lot of other cars on this one too. There's something else on this little Mini. Alright, let's put the Mini over there and get the next one. The Subaru Impreza WRX XDI, or we just call it the Subaru WRX XDI. And that Subi is out. Here we go, let's take a look at Subi. No details on the front or rear, unfortunately. But the paint and job on this one is very something. Alright, look, it's metallic blue paint job. Something else. Same way wheels, the trick. There's paint on the wheels. A lot of decals all over this one. It's like blue, white, even pink. It's on this one. Very nice. Alright, but yeah, anyway. Now we'll get the Subaru Brat out. Here we go. Okay, looks like I'm gonna have to do something else. Oh, that'll work. The Lego piece has to help out getting it out of there. Alright, and here's the Subaru Brat. Unfortunately, there are no details on it at all, but there are decals on this one, and the paint itself is kind of a lime green on this one, with the white wheels and blue paint. But this one has off-road tires. That's what all the Subaru Brats are designed to do. Oh, there's number 23 again. Goodyear on the side. And there's some white in there too. There's number 23 again. And on this one, overall, I think this Subaru Brats actually a nice addition. Alright. That one. And now for the final car, which is a 2024. And the picture itself is totally different. See here, the picture is totally different than the rest of them. You see, for the rest of them, there's only the Evo and the Subaru Brat. But this one has a picture of Carbonator in there. So let's go get it out and get a close look at the newest color of Carbonator. Alright, Carbonator is out. Let's take a look at this one. Now there's 5-spoke wheels. A little brass paint on the wheels itself. There's brass metallic on this one. And you see that's the bottom itself with clear purple glass on this one. But don't worry, it's not real glass. It's plastic. On this one, but there's a lot of special paint on this one. It says number 24 on there with our logo, and on top it says Happy New Year 2024, which is a very nice year. Not too far. For now, we still need to get through the rest of November and get through December to wrap up 2023. I think this Carbonator is probably the best one yet. Right there. Alright, let me put the Carbonator over here and move the other one. Well, guys, I think that's it for this one. So, what do you think to all 5? These beautiful winter holiday cars. Just let me know in those comments below. And I'll see you guys in my next video, which is going to be a racing video with these 5 cars. See you guys in there. Bye, everyone.